Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to do a wire transfer through Bank of America. Alright, let's begin. First of all, make sure to open the web browser on your PC as the Bank of America application doesn't support that. Now, once you tap Open your Bank of America webpage on your device, make sure to log in. From here, you have to navigate to Pay and Transfer feature, and you will likely see an option of wire transfer. Simply select the option. To initiate the transfer, you need to make sure the recipient account, then the amount, frequency, and description. Once you gather and enter all of this in the form type of layout, tap on the Continue Transfer option. Make sure to gather the recipient's information beforehand, including their name, address, bank account number, routing number, and account type. Then you will be able to enter all of that and complete the process. So that's basically how you can do a wire transfer through Bank of America. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.